Hello everyone and welcome to our greenhouse presentation. This presentation was made by Ayhan, Aysu, me, Beyler, Amil and Turan. So first of all, I want to talk about the solar system. The solar system is a gravitational bone where sun is in the middle and some objects orbit around it. It was made 4.6 billion years ago of the collision of an interstellar molecular cloud. So I want to talk about something more related to this, like solar power. Solar power is conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. Using some different methods like photovoltaics, concentrate solar power, or its combination. The photovoltaic cells convert light into an electric current using the photovoltaic effect. And I want to show you our model, which we made out of cardboard. As you can see, all the solar panels are connected to it, and it looks very nice together.
As my project partner previously mentioned, solar panels convert sun's rays into either electricity or heat. Therefore, it creates solar energy. There might be different use of solar energy, such as solar electricity, solar water heating, and so on. There are various solar power systems that solar panels are used for, but what's the difference between them? Actually, all solar power systems work with the same basic principles. And depending on the type of the system, excess solar energy can either be fed into the electricity grid for credits or stored in a variety of different battery storage systems. According to our research, there are three main types of solar power systems. These are on-grid, off-grid, and lastly, hybrid systems. Let's firstly talk about on-grid solar system, also known as grid tie or grid-feed solar system. This is a solar power system that's connected to the grid and has no batteries connected to it. Secondly, off-grid solar systems. Off-grid systems are the ones that work independently of the grid, but have batteries which can store the solar power generated by the system. As a matter of fact, off-grid solar system will work even after a power cut, whereas an on-grid will not work. The last solar system we will be talking about is backup power system, also called as hybrid solar system. Hybrid setups are grid-tied systems that come with solar battery storage, which means you can maximize consumption of the power generated from the panels. A hybrid system is possibly the most expandable solar setup. However, the most widespread solar power systems that are used among the world are on-grid solar power systems.
Now I'm going to talk about the importance and benefits of solar power systems. As you know, solar power is a clean and renewable energy source. This means it won't produce any harmful emissions or pollutants. It's also a very efficient way to produce energy. As I mentioned before about it being a renewable energy source, it leads to the fact that it won't harm the environment when it's being used. And solar power is a versatile energy source that can be used to power everything from small appliances to entire home. And since they are becoming more affordable, it's easier than ever to make the switch to solar. And solar panels are very easy to install and it requires very little maintenance.
Steps on how to build a greenhouse. So as our group, we had many processes, we had many steps in this project. First of all, the first one was the collecting the materials, and our materials was wires, our solar panel, and our LED lamp. First of all, we have two types of wires. One of them was blue and one of them was red. So we tried to find which one is plus charge and which one is minus charge. So and we found it. The red one was plus charge and the blue one was minus charge. And there were two signs on the solar panel that we should connect these wires to the solar panel with these. And we connect this plus one to the plus sign and the minus charge to the minus sign. And also we had a switch to switch on and switch on the light. There was a place in the switch for plus charged wires and minus charged wires. We did the same thing to the switch, and at the end, our lamp, our LED lamp was red and it had two sticks, like one of them was taller than other one. Taller one was a plus charge, other one was a minus charge. So we connected the red wires to the taller and blue to the shorter, and with this we could get our energy. But first of all, you should know that when you are trying to get energy, first you should wait, and you can at the end after doing this project, after the steps, you can get your energy.
Solar panels are becoming more and more popular among people because all world leaders and even members of the UN become concerned about ozone layer that covers our planet. So one of the ways that can help us prevent its destroying is changing the way we can get energy. Solar panels are used in almost all spaceships that are flying into space because of their common usage and environmental green impact. Solar panels are becoming increasingly more affordable as technology improves. This is because people are beginning to realize all the benefits of solar power. They can also help you offset the cost of traditional energy sources like coal or natural gas. It's easy to add more solar panels to your home or business as your energy needs change. Solar power is also a great option for businesses that are looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed our presentations. Any questions?